Hello Patreon people, I have so many things to share with you. Now, I'm not sure if I even got a November update out. I know I didn't get a December one, and I apologize for that. I was actually able to take some vacation around the holidays this year, but we've been back for a couple weeks and I'm ready to go. I've got a lot of stuff going on. One of the biggest things being, I can't tell you about much, but I am in the middle of two really large beta tests with some companies in the 3D printing world that we all know and love. Now, I can't give you any details, of course. I'm under NDA, but I can tell you that I am working for you to make all the products that these companies release even better. I can't wait to share all the details with you very soon. Now, the next thing that I'm working on is I'm trying to get all the parts for the candy claw machine created. And we do have a couple of weeks, but I hope that you're planning on attending the Rocky Mountain Rip Rap Festival, RMRRF. That will be in Loveland, Colorado. It's very close to Denver. It's about a 10-hour drive for us, but we're going to be making our way over there. I'm going to do kind of a Rocky Mountain type theme for the claw machine. I'm printing out all the parts, getting everything ready to go. I do plan on building that claw machine as a Patreon-only live stream. So I'll get the parts. That will give us a chance to chat a little bit while I put it together. It's not a huge deal. It's just mainly a redressing with some different colors, but it'll still be a good time. I want to get back to doing those Patreon streams very soon. Also, Patreon has kind of taken a dip. Patreon made a couple of decisions on how they bill things out that makes it less attractive, plus kind of harder to make a living on. Now, of course, it's not my living, but it is the major part of our income as a YouTube channel. So I'm hoping to grow it a little bit or maybe find some alternatives. Not sure what that's going to be, but stay tuned for that. Now, as far as 3D printing stuff, I have a Solval SV6 we have to get to. I have a Voron Trident that we need to build, as well as the Moldex IDEX machine. I've had it for a long time now and haven't gotten around to that build. Those builds will be coming very soon. But I also have another project that I need a Prusa Mark III for. And I already have a couple of those, but I did buy another one. This time it's an all black version. So I would also like to build that machine with you as a Patreon live stream as well. We usually only get a handful of people that can make it to those live streams, but anybody that's a Patreon supporter can go back and watch it if they want to. So look out for that. I'll put out updates for that really soon because I have to get that built here in the next couple of days. Hopefully this update will go out as soon as I'm done here. As with everything else, you've seen probably some of the input shaper videos. I've been doing a ton of content on that. This is one of those subjects that once I got in, I realized that there were all kinds of ins and outs and things that you could do with input shaper. One of the biggest things being Marlin is implementing it as we speak. They're going through some revisions. They're adding more and more features all the time. I'm in direct contact with Scott on that. He gave me some advice just a couple minutes ago about using your cell phone accelerometer, which might be a lot easier than actually adding one to the printer as far as Marlin's concerned, but we're going to figure all that stuff out. As well as all the other things that we have coming up. I've got a lot of different main boards that I need to get to. A lot of them run Clipper. There's single board computers. There's some Octoprint stuff I want to get to. And there's some new Octoprint features that are going to come out very soon that you're really going to want to see. Again, I can't say anything about it, but they're going to help you out greatly. So I know I missed a ton of stuff, but I want to get this update out for you because I know it's been a while and I'm still around. I'm still here. I'm really thankful that you're all still supporting me here on Patreon. It has dwindled a bit, but we're going to get back into things, shake things up just a little bit. So these videos are just for you, my wonderful Patreon supporters, and I will see you very soon on the next coffee break.